Today, you will learn how to disable auto-numbering in Word. If Microsoft Word keeps automatically creating numbered lists every time you type 1 dot and press space or tab key, here's how to turn that feature off. Open Microsoft Word, click File, then Options. In the Word Options window, select Proofing, then click AutoCorrect Options. Next, open the Auto Format as you type tab. Under Apply as you type, uncheck Automatic Numbered Lists. If you also want to stop automatic bulleted lists, uncheck Automatic Bulleted Lists as well. Finally, click OK, then OK again to save your changes. From now on, Word will no longer automatically create numbered lists while you type, giving you full control over your document formatting. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.